Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the 10 beauty products that I can't live without. Now, I was actually tagged to do this video by Glamour Guru Nay, and I will be linking her channel and her specific video down below, so definitely go check her out when you are done watching this video. She is so gorgeous and so sweet, and I just love her channel, so definitely go subscribe to her if you haven't already. And I was super excited to see that she tagged me to do this video, and so I'm ready to share some stuff with you guys. Now, I did try to pull some things maybe I haven't talked about too much here on my channel, but I am sure I have talked about every one of these items at some point, so I am so sorry. But if you are new here, you will learn a couple of my favorite things. And so yeah, I am so excited. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. First things first, this should come as a surprise to literally none of you unless you literally just found me right now. But I cannot live without the Batiste Divine Dark Dry Shampoo. I get mine at Walmart. If you are new here, hi, I love Walmart, okay? I have like a serious relationship with the Walmart, okay? I get this big giant thing at Walmart for like $10 and I always have backups. This is my favorite thing. If you have dark hair and you cannot find a dry shampoo that does not flake off your scalp or leave a white cast or a gray cast or a weird film or anything like that, I highly recommend that you try this. This is not a new product by any means. I have been using this for years, and I don't think there will ever be a time in which I do not use this product, so I literally cannot live without it because I need it to get through the week of not washing my hair. The next thing that I'm going to talk to you guys about hair care wise is this Ouai leave-in conditioner. You guys, first of all, you can tell how much I love it. I shook it up, so it's actually like more like right down here. I am obsessed with this product. Every time I go see my hairdresser, she is like, how is it that you have literally no split ends or anything like that? And you guys, I attest so much of that to this product. I literally, it has a spray cap on it. I spray it into my hand, anywhere from like 8 to 10 squirts, and then I rub it in my hair about the bottom part of my earlobe down. I will leave my hair damp when I do this, let it do its thing. Most of the time, 9 times out of 10, I let my hair air dry, as that I feel helps prolong me between washes. But this is amazing, you guys. Like, I don't want to be without this because I truly feel like this is what helps my hair stay free from breakage. It keeps it nice, it smells good. It's just so good, you guys. It's so good. For someone who does not care about my hair, I care about my hair, you know what I'm saying? The next thing that I'm going to talk to you guys about is this hair tie thing right here. I believe they're called Invisibobbles, and if I'm wrong, I will correct myself, but again, whatever it's originally called is going to be linked down below, but I think that's it. These are everything, you guys. I love these so much. Now, I'm not wearing one in my hair because if I do my hair half up, half down, the kind that I have is too big. I do think they have smaller sizes, but if I'm doing this, I like to just use the tiny little original black scrunchies. But again, because I don't wash my hair that much, I don't wear my hair all the way down a lot because that's when you touch it and you move it, and that's what gets it greasier quicker. So I wear my hair up a ton. Ponytails, buns, you guys see me like you see, and these are what I use. I have them in this like nude color, I have them in clear, I have them in black. They're everything. Now, they will get stretched out as over time, as you can see, and they do kind of like curl up and do their own thing. But I have been using these for almost a year, these exact ones, and they are just now starting to get a little loose where they don't kind of hold my hair up as much. But I think that is great for a scrunchie that I wear literally every day. And so I will be repurchasing these, but these help, again, not break your hair. It doesn't leave any of those harsh creases in your hair. Moving along, the last hair product I'm going to talk to you guys about is a wet brush. Oh my gosh, you guys. You talk about something that does not pull your hair, does not make your tangles worse, is so nice for when your hair is wet, dry, a mess. Look at this. I literally, like, no trouble, no trouble. I don't want to brush out all my curls, so don't get cute. But literally, this is the most amazing brush. They're so easy to clean too, because like the hair, somehow it's just easy to grab it all and get rid of it, because I was used to be bad, guys, because it was so annoying to try and get the hair all out of my other brush, so there would just be hair up in it. looking nasty. These are so easy to clean. You can take a cotton pad with rubbing alcohol to clean all like the dry shampoo, whatever else I got up in here to keep it nice and sanitary. I love these. I will never, ever, 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 ever use a brush that is not a wet brush again, because I think these are fantastic. And the next thing I'm going to talk to you guys about, this is my most favorite thing, okay? This little fan is everything to me. I asked for this for Christmas last year. My sibling got it for me. And I use this to dry down my setting spray. This is from Amazon. It was maybe $10. It charges via USB, and literally, since I got it last Christmas, I have charged it one time. That's it. And I use it every time I do my makeup, when I go do makeup on clients or anything like that. This is what I take to dry it down. It feels so good. It dries it down so quick. It is the most bougiest thing that I can sit here and promote. I'm obsessed with it. I will never not have a little fan to dry down my setting spray again. I won't do it. So the next thing that I'm going to talk to you guys about is another, we'll finish with tools and then I'll move on. This right here. This is the Foreo. I think this is the Luna Mini 2. I'll triple check myself and have the correct thing down below, but I'm pretty sure that's what this one is. This is my like face washer thing, and you guys, a game changer. I have had this since I graduated from college, which was 2016. I decided that when I graduated that I had been looking at it and I would, you know, treat myself for getting through college and buy it. It is pretty expensive. They are like, I think, are they $200 or are they just under? Either way, it is a good chunk of change. I highly recommend, if you want to get one, get it from Ulta, okay? And listen to me well. Get it from Ulta when they do the 20% off coupon, and then use your points, you guys. Use your points for money off, okay? This thing lasts for forever before you have to charge it. It charges through this little hole right here and you just plug it in. But I have charged it once a year, maybe. So I've charged it maybe 4 times. That's how long it lasts. It has a couple speeds, so you can hear that, and like a slower one, and then it turns off. I love this, you guys. I don't want to wash my face with my hands after having this. I prefer this over anything like Clarisonic or anything with the brush heads because it is silicone. It's easier to keep clean and free of bacteria. And I will repurchase this should this go out on me. I don't know how long it's supposed to last, but I turned so many people onto this. After I started loving it, I got my sister one, my mom has one, I got my best friend one, I got my other friend, she turned onto it. This is everything, you guys. It's worth every stinking penny, and I don't want to be without it. I literally don't. Plus, I like it better than any sort of Clarisonic or thing like that because it's so small and so compact, easy to travel with, easy to store, etc., etc. It's a bomb. It's bomb. I love it so much. So the last little tool that I have to show you is this right here, and this is a Morphe M443 brush. This is the one that's comparable to like a MAC 217. This is my favorite eyeshadow brush. I am working on doing like a blending video. I have been requested for that, in which I talk about like all my tips and tricks for blending, tools, etc., etc. So do stay tuned if you are someone who is looking for that, or if you struggle with blending out eyeshadow, because I'm coming for you. But this is amazing. This type of brush, in which it is a fluffy brush, kind of thick, but it comes to a tapered point, is something that I believe everyone who does makeup should have in their collection. This brush could literally do an entire eye look for you on its own. That is how good it is, and the shape is so perfect for that because it's good for getting up into the higher portions of the crease. It also depends on the motions in which you use to blend, but you can do quite a bit of detail work with this underneath the eye, everything. This is the brush that I believe I have the most of in my collection. I will use this brush every time I do my makeup without a shadow of a doubt. Like, this is the one, this is it. If you're just starting to build a brush collection, a brush like this is the one you're gonna wanna get because it's just so good. So I will never not have this brush for doing my makeup. I highly recommend them. Morphe brushes are very affordable. I know some people don't like them, but I think Morphe brushes are great. They definitely have duds. Don't get me wrong. Not every brush is fantastic. Not every set is amazing. But this brush in itself is really, really nice. And if you wash and care for your brushes, they will last for freaking ever. Okay, so just a few more things now. So I'm gonna mention these two simultaneously, which may be cheating, but this is my channel and I don't really care. So these are the Laneige lip products. And the reason I'm mentioning two is because this is the lip sleeping mask and these are the lip glowy balms. I cannot live without either one of these items. I use this every stinking night. I used to use it every time that I sat down to do my makeup, but I have like another little product, so like this could stay in my bedroom and the other product could stay in here since I do my makeup in here instead of in my room. But this is so great, you guys. This lasts for freaking ever. So I think I have had this well over a year. Is it gonna focus? There it is. I've had this well over a year, maybe a little more if I'm not BSing you. And look how much I still have. This is $20, which feels like a lot up front, but when I tell you that this is a game changer, I mean it. It is so good. They have quite a few different smells now. This is like their original berry flavor, but I think this is great. If you suffer from really dry lips, you need this in your life because it is so good. It does feel a little bit heavy because it's supposed to, but when you wake up in the morning, it is, I'm choking on my own spit. When you wake up in the morning, it is all the way soaked in. Your lips are nice and smooth and luscious and plump and just fabulous. And the same goes for the glowy lip balm. So these are the ones that I keep in my purse. I have turned many people onto these, okay? My friend Alex, my mom, I get them for people. I give them as gifts. These are great. I love it. It has like the old time squeezy tube, so it's super fun. This is the peach scent and they have it in quite a few smells as well. I think my mom has like the original berry. I think they have like a green apple or something. They're great. I love these because they're mess free, they're easy, and they're a little less heavy than this one. So if you don't want to wear this all day or anything like that, then you can definitely have this. Keeps my lips really, really nice. Unlike a chapstick, it doesn't make your lips feel dry. I truly think, welcome to my conspiracy theory, that those who make chapsticks, something in the chapstick just truly dries out your lip and makes you feel like you have to keep putting it on. If you are someone that wears chapstick, honestly, be honest with yourself, be honest with me, we're all friends here, there's no judgment. But when you're using chapstick, you use your chapstick like 1,000 freaking times a day. Do you not? Do you not? Again, no judgments, but you do. And I will literally put this on like once or twice throughout the day while I'm driving around or doing something, and it lasts me all day and my lips don't feel dry or gross or anything like that. So I highly recommend those two products. I cannot live without them because, girl, for someone that loves a ton of matte liquid lipsticks, your lips cannot be crusty. It just can't be. So the next thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is this right here. This is the Ole Henriksen Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner. Ole Henriksen, if you run across this video, feel free to sponsor your girl because I am all up your rear with this product right here. I don't know how many times I've mentioned this on my channel, and I have been using it for, I think, over a year now, consistently. I have gone through countless bottles of this, you guys, countless bottles. This right here is a game changer. It does exactly what it says it's gonna do. It is a dark spot toner. I am someone who has somewhat acne prone skin, and I'm a picker, you guys. Listen, I'm gonna tell it like it is. Some I can let go and some I just cannot. But my skin is also very easy to scar, very quick to scar. And because I do spend time out in the sun, and I have done it in my past, my skincare is different now. I use a lot more sunscreen. But before, you know, I also got dark spots from the sun, dark spots from pimples or breakouts or whatever you want to call it. You guys, this changed my life. I'm not joking. That sounds so dramatic, but this is everything, you guys. I use this all over my face, my neck. I will use it down here on like my hairline because where all my baby hairs go down my neck, and then like I work out and I sweat, I'm prone to breakouts in that area too. I'll use it on the top of my back because I do scar so easily. I've even used it, I'm not joking, on my arm. When I was younger, I would get little bumps on my arm and I would just pick at them. And so my arm has little, you know, like dark spots, hyperpigmentation. Every now and then, I don't do it often because it does kind of dry out my skin, which is why I moisturize so often. But every now and then I will run my cotton round over my arm to help lighten up those spots, you guys. It's amazing. It is amazing. If you suffer with dark spots, hyperpigmentation, anything like that, give this a try. It does not dry out my skin. It doesn't do anything like that. It doesn't break me out. I love it. Next, I'm going to talk to you guys about the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. Again, Benefit. If you see this video, I am a walking, talking, gum flapping advertisement for you in this product. This is the best mascara, you guys. The best mascara, hands down, point blank period. I will not hear anything else because I'm sorry, you're wrong. I get compliments anytime I wear this. If I am not going to wear falsies, this is on my eyelashes. They look so long and so voluminous. I'm pretty sure I have a video where I compared this to the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. That video did really well for me, which I was not expecting. I will link it up here and you can check it out if you kind of want to see how it works compared to that one. But this is everything to me. This is everything to me. If you have not tried this, please do it. Trust me on this. I don't know that there is someone that it wouldn't work for. That's how convinced I am it is that good, because it's absolutely amazing. And last but not least, this is technically an 11th product, but I wanted to throw it in here for you guys because I don't talk about my perfumes a lot. So I wanted to share with you guys the perfume that I cannot live without. And I don't talk about it too much because you don't ever think about it. Like, you guys can't smell me, but you wish you could, because I am obsessed with this perfume right here. This is the Gucci Guilty perfume. Holy moly, this is so good. I have been using this for probably 5 or 6 years. This is my favorite perfume, and I have other perfumes that I do like for different occasions, for different times, but this is the best perfume. You can see, like, it's grubby. It's got all my crusty crust fingerprints on it, and I have gone through probably 3 or 4 little jars of this. It is so good, you guys. I don't know the notes. I'll put them up on the screen for you, but oh my gosh, you guys, this has such a nice, very sophisticated scent to it, and scent is very personal. I do get that. Anyways, you guys, those are 11 beauty items that I cannot live without. I would love to know some of your beauty products that you cannot live without. It can be hair care, skin care, makeup, tools, whatever it is. Let me know them down in the comment section below. I am personally not going to tag anybody to do this video because I never want anybody to feel obligated. But if you're like, girl, I want to share my top 10 beauty favorite things that I cannot live without with my followers, let me know that you do it, and I would be more than happy to link your video in my description box as well. I'm all about sharing the love and supporting my smaller creators. So yeah, you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and if you hit that notification bell, then you will never miss an upload from me. Last but not least, you can also come follow your girl on Instagram at AlyssaNPope, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!